Motor lawyer, old Rick Stewart. Someone made you fall, you better make that call. Make that call to Rick now. He's gonna help you out. He's gonna turn that wreck into a check. You know what I'm talking about? What's going on, ADV hooligans? ADV Gourmet here, and today we're talking about what we're gonna do in 2025 and garage upgrades. And what I'm gonna add to my garage this year is one, a DRZ 400, which many of you may already know about, and two, I'm going from 2 wheels to 4 wheels this year as well, and we're going to do it in 2007 FJ Cruiser. That's right, check it out. Oh yeah, this is going to be a sweet ride. I'm looking for new adventures. We're going to hit the trails. I'm thinking too with the DRZ 400, I'm going to be able to get a hitch on the back. We'll get a little motorcycle, you know, something or another for the hitch. And yeah, we're going to be, you know, seeking new adventures. So, hope everyone has a great, happy new year. And from ADV Gourmet, look out. We're coming at you.